Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to get Binance in dark mode using your mobile device. If you want to enable dark mode on Binance, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open up the Binance application on your mobile device and log in if necessary. Once logged in, from the home page, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Once you do that, click on the gear button at the top right from your profile section. This will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, tap on Mode and Theme. Under Mode and Theme, select Dark. Soon after that, you will immediately notice that your Binance interface has now turned to a dark color. That is best for better eye comfort and adds an elegant look to your app. You can always switch back to the light mode by getting to this same screen and selecting light. And that's it. That's how you change your Binance application to dark mode. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.